Yummy?
First time ni Fiona kakain ng balot. Eh. Baka naman sumakat ang tiyan yan.
Yummy?
Masarap yun. Bago yung balot, Monique? Sure ka?
熟了，挺好吃的，人肉带蛋。今天是
You see how your daddy eats the balut? Open. Remove the shell.
Kanina pa niya gusto kumain ng balot.
Dati pa nakuha niya. Nakuha siya.
Tinitingnan ka ni Fiona paano ka kumain ng balot.
Yeah, you make a film video.
Or you can put some vinegar.
Your heart can eat, right?
No, like this one.
With a spoon. Put it here, put it here. Yeah, yeah, up. Yeah.
It's okay. You wash hands na lang. Have salt here.
吸，
Uy, konti lang yung asin.
A little
吸
salt.
进去，对。
They have it's have a very hard texture.
这是块儿。
This one hard. You can eat. You can. It's up to you. You can eat or not.
所以呢，你先吃软的那一部分，对，上面去了，然后在最后吃硬的部分。
这玩意儿长牙齿了吗？
没长牙，直接吃没有骨头。
这活珠子吗？
应该是那个。
因为我看过别
你怎么知道
人说这
这么多词？
活珠子。我跟你们一样。
Sarap, Fiona. Really? Masarap yung balot?
Monique,
Monique, malasa yung balot? Meron kasi, minsan yung magtitinda ng balot, walang lasa yung balot eh. Sarap?
要做，今天的肉，然后最后最后吃。
Yung, oh, naku, basa na yung ano niya.
长不长？
Punas ka mamaya. Maano yung suka?
一块也
Maamoy.
行。啊？对，软的部分都可以，直接一大口。对，一大口。能吃能吃。能，
Hala.
然后做，咱吃这个，再后头对。
Eat that. Eat.
Hala. Sarap, ew. Pangarap niya yan, makatikim ng balot ng Pilipinas.
啊，把软的部分都吃了。Yeah, this is one is
Hindi mo lang natatakot eh. Walang kaarte-arte.
Kaya nga tinino, kumain niya lahat. This one is delicious. Yummy. Yeah, this one.
The yellow one.
The other one. Pwede to sa survivor of the Philippines yung kinakain kahit ano.
satisfied.
Uy, kachili ano?
Sarap na.
May dito yung mga challenge. Kahit ang challenge.
Fiona, look at here.
Every flavor, everything.
Sarap. Masarap.
Wala siyang ano.
Sarap daw yung balot.
She doesn't like.
Yeah, you can
But you like to
eat
try it.
very hard. You can eat.
So you don't eat, okay, throw
It's
it.
okay.
Good?
Good.
我想带这个回家。
You want bring some to China? Bring some to China.
Gusto daw niya magdala China nito.
You want to give to Nana?
Pwede naman.
Give to her grandma.
Tikip lang.